Happy fall, ladies and gentlemen. Today I've teamed up with UNice and they sent over this beautiful 26-inch 7x5, 180% density HD BlendAway lace wig. She's in the texture waterwave, and as you guys can see, we put the girl on 100% glueless. This one is absolutely flawless. I think she is perfect for all seasons. So if you're looking for a year-around baddie to slay in that will be easy to take on and off from day to day, this is the one for you. So if you want to see how we got this look, let's get started. Okay, ladies, jumping right into it. This is our beautiful 26-inch waterwave wig straight out of the box. As you guys can see, the texture is already given. You can literally put this one on and walk out the door. No styling needed. And as you guys seen in the intro, you don't even have to bond her down. So you guys know I'm going to give you a little TLC with this one. I'm always going to make sure my wigs are customized to my liking. But before we get into that, I definitely wanted to show you guys what she looks like straight out of the box. They set her as a center part, but you do have a 7x5 closure, so you can definitely switch it up and do side part, curve out that parting, zigzag parting, whatever you like. Here's a look at the inside construction of the cap as well as the nape. And of course, it includes that adjustable, removable elastic band. So we're going to go ahead and put her on and we're going to get started. Excuse my nape in the back. I wanted to show you guys that I like to anchor mine first with that removable elastic band. And then I put it on in the back and then I put her on in the front. And then we're able to adjust and find the center and kind of just find our new forehead. You guys know I have a big forehead, so I like to go ahead and put it on, but not make it too far up. Here is a texture shot. The water wave is definitely water waving. I feel like the 180% definitely gives 250 without being too heavy. I had to park it for a minute. We were simultaneously doing homework with the kids, so Mommy Yana had to kind of like step in and just give some instructions. And sometimes I don't even be knowing what be going on with these kids' homework. Now let's look at this one from the back. 26 inches on me is very long, and then of course this one is nice and full. So I wanted to let you guys see this one from the back. Of course, if you want to go a little bit lighter, I recommend going for a 20 or 22 inch for a more natural look. You guys know I'm a slay with the va boom. You can also do 150% density if you want it a little bit lighter in density. But again, long, full definitely is my type of party. So next up, we're going to do the dynamic duo. You guys already should be hip to this little combo. We do the wax stick paired with the electric hot comb. I like to glaze that wax all over the parting as well as the hairline. And then I use electric hot comb on a high heat setting to smooth all of that in. It cancels out frizz and gives you a nice flat clean look. Now I'm going to do a glueless install. This is going to be a non-glue install. We're instead going to use a extra hold hairspray because we don't need glue for this one. We just wanted to give the illusion of a very, very melted look, and this product definitely helps out with that. Once we apply our product, I did go over and do some baby hair. Baby hair is always going to be my jam. I can't imagine a day where I prefer not to have baby hair. I mean, you can never say never, but for me, I just feel like it just makes everything look perfect. So I did some baby hair and we went straight in with the edge booster. I didn't do the wispy look today, which I think looks best when you do like wet, slick looks opposed to like straight looks where you kind of wanted that wispy look, you know, to set it off. You can for sure do your baby hair however you like, or you can do no baby hair at all. Next up, I did go ahead and make everything blend together with a little bit of powder along the parting as well as the hairline. And now the lace is tinted and we are literally ready to go out the door. I did not add the melt belt because it literally was time to go out the door. I had to go do school pickup. So this is going to be me literally at the end of the day. I did school pickup. We did the afternoon, routine with lunch, homework, changing into our dance wear, hitting the road and going all the way commuting to dance, hanging out at dance, coming back home, finishing homework, doing dinner, doing the good night bedtime routine, and this is where I am. So I wanted to show you guys the texture of the hair. You guys seen when we left the house and when we came back, the hair was absolutely gorgeous and we did not touch it at all. So this is one that you don't necessarily need to haul a lot of products with. I personally feel like adding this leave-in conditioner from Aussie did not make a huge difference because, again, this one doesn't need much product at all on the ends. But I did want to show you guys you can add product. Mousse will work great, but I really like this texture straight out of the box. So just scrunching in a little bit of leave-in kind of just will cancel out any frizz that may have happened throughout the day. You can definitely add water and you can use a dimming brush, but literally nothing is needed. Just a little leave-in, scrunch it in, and this was the result. Now I can show you guys the packaging and what they included in my box. UNice always is a 10 out of 10 when it comes to presentation. This is the little baggie that the wig came in, and it tells you all the details on our wig. And then inside they also included the wig tape. It's called Bye Bye Knots on this side, but it's a double-sided wig tape. You can lay it in the inside of your lace and basically bond your wig down. They included this matching dust bag as well as the matching melt belt. All are branded with the UNice logo, which is perfect. And then of course they gave us some press-on nails. These beautiful pink little press-ons are definitely a hit. And then last but most certainly not least, we got some HD wig cap from UNice, and we got not 1 pack but 2 packs, so that was definitely a treat. And if we thought we were done, there also was a special treat, which is this beautiful robe that matches the packaging and all of the goodies. So thank you, UNice. And that is pretty much it, love bugs. I enjoyed installing this one. This one definitely was one that was able to be installed 10 minutes or less. It's very much a beginner-friendly wig, and she fits 100% glueless. Click the link in my description box and you'll be able to customize yours to your liking. Whether you want 150% density or 180% density, you can choose HD lace. You can opt for baby hair or no baby hair, and then you can also choose your length. I'm going to let you guys go from here, but be sure to subscribe on your way out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.